you dream about the future, what do you see? Making the honor roll? Earning a part in the school play? How about when you look way into the future? Do you want a job, a house, and cute kids? To reach any goal, you need to invest what you have now to turn it into what you want later. There are 3 things you can invest to get the future you want: time, skills, and money. Want to sing in chorus? Invest time practicing. Want to make the volleyball team? Develop skills for the game. Want a fabulous new phone? Save your money instead of blowing it on candy. Investing in the future is hard, and taking the lazy way out is easy. You need hard work, determination, and perseverance to reach your goals. In other words, you need grit. But if you put your time, skills, and money into things that matter, grit can take you to your dreams. That's what today's show is all about. Now here's the host of the Grit Game Show, George Halitska.